name is love? What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love's got me waiting, totally anticipating a miracle. When asked who I am meeting, or who I'm waiting for, I said I'm looking for love to come running through the door. Aren't we all they told me? Or haven't you heard? I know it sounds absurd, 'cause she could be anyone, you know. She could be anyone, no show.